Hello guys, if you ever wanted to build an app without coding but still have the power of AI-driven logic, then welcome to Emergent AI, one of the most exciting new tools of 2025. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build fully functional apps faster than ever before. Now, in order to get started, go to app.emergent.sh, or you can also go to the search bar and search for Emergent AI. Then click on this link, that is Emergent AI powered app development, and you'll be taken to the page where you can sign up or log in using your user credentials. Now, once you log in, you land on a clean dashboard where you can manage all your AI projects. So this will be the page where you will be taken just after logging in. Now, this is the section where you'll have to just type your prompts for whatever kind of project you want. For example, I will say build a task tracker and click on this button. It will instantly start creating my app. As you can see, the agent is running and it's processing my request. So while our app is building, we can explore some options like these. So you can connect to GitHub by clicking on this button and get a private repository or a public repository. You can enter the URL and you'll get it. Now, you can click on this button and upload images, videos, or files that can be related to the app that you're building. Now you can click on the public icon and choose whether you want a private or public workspace. If you choose public, anyone can view and explore your application. And if you choose private, it will only be visible to you unless shared. Now, you can also click on mic button and start voice recording for your prompts. You can choose advanced controls and see all these advanced tools that you can use, like you can select the MCP tool that you want to use. You can choose to select a template like full stack template or base Python templates. You also can increase or decrease the budget credits that you get with your plan, and you can choose the model like Claude 4.5 Sonnet, GPT-5 and much more. Now, the recent tasks, that is your deployed apps, will be available just right here. As you can see, we were creating a tracker and it's currently building. And the tracker ID task and last modified is shown just right here. You can click on three-dotted icon and rename your task, delete it, and do much more with it. And when you scroll down from this page, you get digital sidekicks, landing, hack and play, AI apps, and tutorials through which you can learn to do much more things with Emergent AI. Now, while our app is building, we are going to click on our profile icon and you can see you have the option to create a new workspace, the option to upgrade. And when you click on upgrade, you can choose your plan. So the standard comes at this price, the pro at this, and the team at this. You can just click on upgrade and you'll be able to upgrade to another plan and get more features out of your app. Now, you also get the option for account setting. When you click here, you will get your universal key just right here. You can manage agents from this page and you get your email and preferred name just from here. Now, as you can see, it just created our app. So we said we need a simple task tracker and it just made this quickly. So the left panel is your app canvas where you will visually design your pages. The right side shows properties and AI assistant. And at the bottom, there's logic flow editor where automation and workflows live. Now, Emergent AI is powered by conversational assistant. You can type things like add a simple plugin page quickly, hit enter, or create a user registration form with email and password, and it will instantly generate the components and link them with backend logic. You can then fine-tune layout and colors and elements manually by clicking on them and editing styles, just like a drag and drop builder. Now, the agent has asked me what should the plugin include. A list of available plugins to enable disable, plugin settings, or integration. So the agent will keep asking for clarification on questions it would have, and you'll have to just choose your preferences. Now, as you can see, we just created a tab saying plugin. The plugin has dark mode, notifications, autosave, and sync. You can click on preview icon and see if it's worked correctly or not. So that is basically how you can upgrade your application that you've already built. Just type in whatever you want and Emergent AI will instantly create it for you. For example, you can build your home page. Click on this section, type in add a new page and type, for example, create a dashboard layout with a top nav bar and sidebar for navigation. In seconds, Emergent AI generates it, complete with placeholders, icons and buttons. Now click any element, for example the sidebar, and you can change colors, text or add animations using the style panel that will be available on this page. Also, to add sections for tasks, simply type in the AI bar For example, add a task list component showing task name, due date, and priority. And the platform auto generates it and binds it to a sample database. What used to take hours in code now happens in seconds. Now that we have the design, let's make it functional. Click on the deploy icon and choose run health check. So you can run an automated code review to catch deployment blockers before launch. Click this button and it will do it instantly. After you do this, you can click on start deployment and you can deploy right now. So your account will be charged 50 credits per month and you can shut down your deployment anytime to stop charges for the next months. But to avoid deployment issues and wasted credits, please preview your application first to ensure if it's working correctly. Click on deploy now after doing this, and if you'll have sufficient credits, the app will be instantly deployed. Now you can cut this out, get back to home, and you will see your previous deployed apps just right here. Now we can navigate to AI apps and for example, we'll choose landing. And we can choose something like marketing agency landing page. So we'll click this and it will instantly create this beautiful page for us. As you can see, this is like a template. Now we are going to choose photographer landing page and it will instantly make an app for that. For example, as you can see, this is an app preview for that. You can easily edit this application anyhow you want just by upgrading, getting credits and typing in the things you want or editing it visually by selecting the elements. You can make this website your own just with Emergent AI. So I will click on open a new tab and as you can see, this is a preview of the landing page template that it has. It's pretty good. You can easily use this if you want. Now you can get back and deploy this app anyhow you want. And also, once your app is functional, you can hit preview to test it just like this. And the built-in debugger highlights error or slow APIs calls in real time. Also, you can invite your team members just by clicking the share icon and copying this link and pasting it in the chat box with the person you want to invite, just like Figma or Google Docs. There's even a version history feature so you can revert changes or duplicate projects safely. When everything's ready, just click on the deploy tab. As I previously told, just click on start deployment and if you have enough credits, you can easily deploy it. You can also click on this code icon and copy this link and access VS Code in your browser with the following link and password. Click on open in browser and it will start the IDE and you'll be able to log in with the password you would have got and click on submit. And you'll be taken to VS Code where you can do much more things with this. You can also set a custom domain, enable SSL and track analytics directly from the dashboard all in few clicks. And that's it. You complete Emergent AI tutorial for beginners in 2025. You've learned to create, design, edit, and deploy apps in minutes using AI-powered logic. It's the perfect platform to turn your ideas into real working products. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.